Big. Small. The elephant is big, the mouse is small. Fast. Slow. The cheetah is fast, the turtle is slow. Hot. Cold. The sun is hot, ice cream is cold. Up. Down. Go up, go down. Happy. Sad. Day. Night. Open. Close. Open the door, close the door. Long. Short. The giraffe is tall, the cat is short. Clean. Dirty. The girl is clean, the boy is dirty. Full. Empty. The glass is full, the glass is empty. Loud. Quiet. The drum is loud, the book is quiet. Wet. Dry. The dog is wet, the cat is dry. Light. Heavy. The feather is light, the rock is heavy. Young. Old. The girl is young, but the man is old. Hard. Soft. The stone is hard, the pillow is soft. Right. Wrong. This is right, that is wrong. Strong. Weak. The superhero is strong.